Hey ladies, if you want to get your nails done every 2 weeks or just often, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to save hundreds of dollars per year doing your own nails a simple way. Here's a few items that we'll be using. This is the Nail Lane Ultra Quick Glue. This set over here is from Amazon. I'll have all of these in the description. It comes with the base coat, the builder nail gel, and the top coat. And you're going to need the UV light for all of these, otherwise it will not stick. And these nails I got from TEMU for under $2. This UV light I have had that for a while off of Amazon. We have some cuticle oil, the buffer, and nail file. So I had just taken a set of nails off, so I'm just going to file and buff for them real quick to prepare them for the new set of nails. So let's grab our nails. These are a little shinier, I think, on camera than they actually are. And they are really thin. I tried using these like twice before and they broke both times. So I had to figure something out because I am not a nail artist and I'm not good at polishing nails at all. So I like to pick out the nails that I'm going to be using and line them up because it just makes it a little more easier for me. I like to push the nail down so it shapes my cuticle. That way it has a snug fit and you won't have that little gap at the bottom of your nail because you want this to look as professional as possible. We got our nails picked out. Now it's time to glue. I like to use more than just a little dab. And while I'm doing this, I'm not squeezing it out the whole time. I'm more so rubbing it around, making sure that I'm getting all the edges because I don't want it to come up. And I know the pack said that the glue dries in 3 seconds, but I like to hold it for about at least 30 seconds because if I lift up too early, then the nail gonna come up too. And you want to make sure that you're getting these nails on straight the first time because once this is on there, it is not coming off. Now that our nails are on, the first step is to use the base coat. You want to do a thin layer and make sure you get the entire nail, the edges and the tips of your nails. we're going to set the UV light for 60 seconds and let that do its thing. Now to the builder nail gel. This stuff is really thick and kind of sticky, as you can see. It took me a minute to kind of get the hang of it. The first time I did it, I think I used too much and it kind of went down to the tip of my nails, making it bulky. So less might be better. I just start by putting some at the base of my nail and then kind of going to the tip of it. But I don't like to do it too thin because I don't want the nail to break. You can go right over your rhinestones with this, and that's good because it'll help hold your rhinestones in place too, as opposed to them falling off. Just do a thin layer over the rhinestones. That way it's not so bulky. After the builder gel, we're just going to put it back in the UV for 60 seconds, and then we're going to grab the top coat. We're just doing another thin layer. You want to make sure you get the entire nail to seal it all in. After the top coat, I like to leave it under the UV light for 2 minutes to make sure it's completely dry. Now, look at that. Cute, right? Let's grab some cuticle oil and finish this off. I'm pretty sure I got this brush off of Amazon. I know it came as a set, but these nails last me about 2 weeks, which is how often we go to the nail salon and get our nails done, and they run us about $100. So this is literally saving us money. Now, sometimes I do my feet, and sometimes I don't. I go to the nail salon and do it to get the scrub. But when I do it myself, I use the UV polish, and it's literally one color just to match my nails. Y'all can't tell me these nails not looking nice. Like and subscribe for more designs, and check out leahmorebags.com to get you something real cute to carry.